How to fix screen flickering issue in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness, and here you can see the auto brightness option. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turn off auto brightness, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.